Hey guys, welcome back. This is Somesh Chaudhary for informationlaw.com, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix 10 is to 1 error which many people are facing. Like if you're claiming your Monero wallet, you are getting only 1 is to 1. Like if you have 10 Monero, you will get only 10 Monero V. But now the solution for this is, first of all, open your Monero wallet GUI. Now open a wallet from file which you have already created using the tutorial here. See, you have the tutorial, step-by-step tutorial to create your Monero V wallet. Restore it. It'll start local node in 1076. That is your synchronization, but you can see you're getting only 74 balance. That's the only number of coins I am holding. That is a Monero coin I'm holding, but it should be 740. To fix this, what you have to do is first let your network get synced to the latest blockchain of Monero V by internal daemon. Do not use any node. See, the daemon is synchronized, but the wallet is not synchronizing, so I'm not getting 740. So what you have to do right now is simply close the wallet now, stop the daemon. Once done, then open the daemon again. So tap on cancel. Now restore wallet from keys or mnemonic seed. So now what you can do is type in your wallet name, make sure that's the name same as it is, and the location of the wallet, it is here. Now enter your keys here, mnemonic seed keys. The restore height, let the restore height be 1544965 instead of 1564. 1544965 965. This will help in saving a lot of your time. Now I'll just put in my mnemonic seed and proceed further. So now enter in your password for your wallet. Again press next. Now press on use Monero V. It will take time to sync again. This time for 74 Monero holdings, I should get now 740 Monero V holdings now. Tap on allow. The timer is starting. The wallet has been started syncing as well. And this might take a little bit of time from 28,000 as I have entered the height. If you do not enter the restore height, then it will sync from starting from 0. That means from the day 1 of the Monero blockchain, which will take a lot of time. So better insert a height, so that you don't get waste your time, and that height should be less than the time the snapshot was taken. So in this case I am doing it for 1,56,000, sorry, 1 crore 56, sorry, again 15,64,965. I written it as 15,44,000. So still it will take a little bit of time. 15,000 remaining, 14 remaining. In this manner you'll get 740 holdings of Monero V for 74 Monero, and thus solving your 1:1 error. This is one of the error. Another error is of antivirus, which is not seen on Mac but on other PCs like Windows or all. I'll show you the tutorial for the same once it is completed. Four thousand, 3,000, 2,000, 1,000, and yeah, you can see now my Monero V holdings are 740. So the basic solution for the same is close the wallet and everything, and again restore it from a wallet keys. That's it. You'll get your balance, but make sure your daemon is synchronized.